You know, it's a pity. I was looking forward to killing you.
You're at the back of a long queue.
My white flag is a flag of truce. Yours is more a flag of surrender.
What do you say, Mr. McCavan? The colour is the same, the outcome is the same. I believe we've friends in common. We should postpone our war. Since we're men of similar interests, distribution networks, I thought we might use our temporary settlements for our mutual benefit. The nature of the deal is explained in my proposal. I've booked you a suite at the Midland Hotel. If you need anything in this city, just mention my name.
So you want to impress me, Mr. Shelby?
Isaiah! Also in the envelope is a cheque for £500 for your wife. She can use it to buy a black dress, and a black horse with black feathers, to pull a black carriage with your body in it. Should you break the terms of the white flag? And now, please, enjoy the city. It's my honour to represent.